Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a heads up, I am really terrible with cameras, so please don't mind the random awkwardness. But over winter, I've ordered a couple parts here and there for my Stagea. Little things are to be coming here and there, and videos gonna be posted up that I'm gonna try doing some installs and all that. But for now, I'm gonna start with this. That the last couple days I noticed I had to order some parts to get my CD boot fixed, and figured might as well add in this Apexi power intake. I've been doing a little research and kind of just not sure which one to order, but came to the conclusion that I'd go with the Apexis. And so it's not really much of a modification or anything, but figured I might as well try it and see where it goes. So over the winter, I ordered a couple parts here and there just to kind of change everything up with the Stagea. Started off with an upgrade for my stereo. I got a new double did deck from Kenwood. My old one was just kind of skipping and none of the functions worked. And then I ordered a Vertex and Nardi collaboration steering wheel. It's going to be showing up sometime this summer. And I ordered some Zestino Acrova 07As, which I'm going to be looking forward to getting. We're actually going to Regina this coming weekend to pick them up. And lastly, I ordered some Cosmos racing wheels that I'm looking forward to fit. They're really aggressive, and I'm hoping that I can get them to work. If you guys are looking for a nice set of wheels, go check out Cosmos Racing. They're all quality made and they all look really nice. And another plus is their pricing is actually very affordable. Anyways, let's get started with what the video is actually about. I'm going to be showing you a before and after of what the car sounds like with the stock airbox, as well as an after with what the upgraded power intake sounds like. We're also going to do a drive-by of each to show what it sounds like outside of the car as well and inside the car. And so, looking forward to it. Let's go.